Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sumaya Belim. I have made decimal number teaching aid. This decimal number teaching aid is very unique because when you put a rubber band, you will not only get a question but you can also evaluate. Yes, my dear students, this teaching aid will also give you the answer. So once you get the answer, you are going to cross check that what is your answer matching with the actual answer. So within fraction of second, you will come to know whether your answer is right or wrong. So what are we waiting for? Let's zoom into today's teaching aid. This is a number line of decimal numbers where negative numbers are written on the left hand side, 0 is in the center and positive numbers are written on the right hand side. This teaching aid will help us to actually calculate the positive decimals as well as the negative decimals. Similar to this teaching aid, I have also made a number line of integers. Those who have not seen that video, I have posted the link in the description box. Now let's understand how does this decimal number works. For this, first you are just going to give rubber band to the students. The student will place it anywhere where he wants to add those numbers like 0.75 plus 0.25. So now the child is going to calculate 0.75 plus 0.25 what answer he is going to get. Alright. Similarly, let's take one more example here like 1.25 and 1.75. Alright. Now the child has already got the answer. He is going to give the answer. Like for the first one, 0.75 plus 0.25, the answer is going to be 1.00. That is nothing but 1. So the child will cross check his answer that yes, it is right or wrong. Similarly, 1.25 plus 1.75 will give you the answer 3.00. Let's take another example like 1.0 and 0.75 will give the answer 1.75. So with this, addition of integers can be done very easily. Let's move on to the next one. That is subtraction of integers. Now for subtraction of integers, either the child can take a positive number and a negative number, or he can take two negative numbers also and subtract. Let's see the first one. Let's take a positive number here, 0.25 minus 0.25, because here you can see minus is there. So 0.25 minus 0.25, the answer is going to be 0. So in the playway method, in a game method, the child will actually going to solve and check the answer is right or wrong. He will evaluate the answer. Let's go to the next one like 0.50 minus 0.75. The answer is going to be minus 0.25. Correct? So see, he will cross check that yes, what answer he is getting. So, and by chance he is not getting the answer, he will understand where he has made a mistake and rectify his mistake. Let us move on to the third aspect of this teaching aid. What will happen if I take two negative numbers and add them like minus 1.50 and minus 0.75. So this time the child will actually calculate and get the answer. The answer is going to be minus 2.25. Correct? Yes, where it intersects, it is intersecting at minus 2.25. One more example here, like if I take minus 2.25 and minus 1. Minus 2.25 and minus 1 will actually going to give you minus 1.25. The child will do it in the book and he is going to cross check the answer that yes, it is right or wrong. And if it is a mistake, the teacher will go through and teacher is going to help the child in getting the correct answer. So in this way, in a playway method, the child will not only solve and get the answer, but the child will also evaluate whether he has understood the concept thoroughly or not. With this, we end the decimal fraction series. See you all in our next topic with the next interesting and innovative teaching aid. Thank you.